5.2 SAQ second problem and theorem number 5.11, page number 209, page number 209. The point of intersection of the first theorem. The point of intersection of the two perpendicular tangents to the hyperbola. Same theorem in the ellipse also. Listen. This is the point of intersection of the perpendicular tangents. So, equation of the tangent. Listen. Equation of the tangent in the slope form y equal to mx plus under root a square m square minus b square, a square m square plus b square. This is the ellipse Shafter theorem. Next, this line passing through the point x1, y1. Next, slope of the second line minus 1 by m. So, equation of this line y1 equal to minus 1 by m into x1 plus under root a square m square, a square 1 by m square plus b square. From these two equations, we eliminate m. Then we get the quadratic equation. So take this one only. Squaring on both sides, we get a quadratic equation in m. Sum of the slopes, product of the slopes, m1 comma m2 are the roots of this equation. In the same way, in this chapter, equation of the tangent in the slope form, only this one. Take this one into LHS. Next, squaring on both sides, we get the quadratic equation in m. Write the answer. Given equation of the hyperbola, x square by a square minus y square by b square equal to 1. Let m be slope of the tangent. Therefore, equation of the tangent in the slope form y equal to mx plus or minus under root a square m square minus b square let Px1y1 be point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. Therefore, y1 equal to mx1 plus or minus under root a square m square minus b square y1 minus mx1 equal to plus or minus under root a square m square minus b square, squaring on both sides, y1 minus mx1 whole square, root 2 square cancel, a square m square minus b square, expanding this whole square, y1 square plus m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 minus 2m x1 y1 equal to a square m square minus b square y1 square m square x1 square minus 2m x1 y1 minus a square m square plus b square equal to 0. Take m square common, x1 square minus a square m square minus 2x1 y1 m and constant y1 square plus b square equal to 0. So this is the quadratic equation in M. Quadratic equation in M. Let M1 and M2 be the roots. M1 and M2 be the roots. All of you listen. This is the hyperbola given. Listen. Say what are the sum of the slopes? Minus b by a. Listen. y1 by x1 square minus a square and product of the roots m1 into m2 c by a b square by x1 square minus a square. Listen, sum of the slopes minus b by a, product of the slopes c by a. In the theorem Tangents are perpendicular to each other. So m1 into m2 equal to -1. m1 into m2 value y1 square plus b square by x1 square minus a square equal to -1. y1 square plus b square equal to minus x1 square plus a square. So x1 square plus y1 square equal to a square minus b square. Therefore, locus is x square plus y square equal to a square minus b square. First write this one. Tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 equal to k. m1 plus m2 equal to k. m1 plus m2 value 2 x1 y1 by x1 square minus a square equal to k. So k into x1 square minus a square 2x1 y1. Therefore, locus is k.